Hello children. Now let us try out making the China rose indicator. China rose is nothing but hibiscus in general terms. Now what all we need for the activity is hibiscus. You may take 2 or more hibiscus as per the requirement. As we are testing acids and bases, we are taking soap solution as well as lemon juice, that is citric acid, and we are taking 3 visible glasses or the glass ones, so that we can see the result very clearly. And then we are supposed to take boiling water, boiled water. This water is boiled. So what we are going to do is carefully pluck out all the petals from the hibiscus or as the China rose and drop in the boiled water. Just take out the androecium. We don't require the androecium. Just take it out and drop the petals into the boiling water. Let them soak in the boiling water for some time. Yes, you need to pluck out all the petals and then soak them in the boiling water. Leave it for a few minutes so that we can observe the change in the color of the water. Just like this would do. So we are just soaking the petals in the boiled water for some time. By the time this gets ready, let us quickly squeeze in the lime juice into one of the glasses. Yes, like this. So this is an acid solution as of now, which we are taking, and already I have soaked the soap in water. I'll just pour it in this glass. That will be sufficient, and then let us keep this glass as a standard so that we can compare and see with the other 2 solutions. Solution magenta color. So this is how the hibiscus juice turns out to be. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to pour a few drops of hibiscus water into both the acid and the base solutions. So this is soap solution and this is lemon juice. So what will happen when we pour into the soap solution? Let us see. There, it has turned green in color. Now when you are pouring it into the lemon juice, let us see what is the color change. Nice pink color, isn't it? So this is how we can justify whether the substance which we are taking or is the solution which we are taking is an acid or a base, acidic solution or a basic solution. So the China rose juice is obviously magenta color, dark in color, and when it is poured into a soap solution which is a base, hibiscus or as the China rose indicator gives green colors, shades of green with base, and it is going to give nice pink color, pinkish red or else pink colors when it is tested with acids.